Aloe vera juice is a powerful natural remedy that can have a range of health benefits. It has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries, from aiding digestion and boosting immunity to promoting skin health and regulating blood sugar levels. There are countless reasons to incorporate this amazing plant into your daily routine. It is packed with nutrients and has been shown to have a range of health benefits. Here are 7 of the most impressive health benefits of aloe vera juice. Number 1. Aids digestion. Aloe vera juice has been shown to soothe and cleanse the digestive system. It makes it a great natural remedy for issues such as constipation and irritable bowel syndrome. Number 2. Boosts immunity. Aloe vera contains a range of antioxidants and vitamins that help support the immune system. This makes it more effective at fighting off infections and diseases. Number 3. Reduces inflammation. Aloe vera has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis and asthma. Number 4. Promotes skin health. Aloe vera contains compounds that can help improve skin health. It can be used to treat a range of skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Number 5. Lowers cholesterol. Aloe vera has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels in the body. This can be beneficial for those at risk of heart disease. Number 6. Regulates blood sugar. Aloe vera juice can help regulate blood sugar levels in the body, making it a great natural remedy for those with diabetes. Number 7. Boosts hydration. Aloe vera juice is packed with water and electrolytes. It can act as a natural way to hydrate the body. To get the most out of aloe vera juice, try to get a high-quality product and follow the recommended dosage. Aloe vera can have a laxative effect in some people, so it's best to start with a small amount and gradually increase the dosage. Want some extra tips? Apart from drinking aloe vera juice, there are other ways to incorporate this powerful plant into your daily routine. You can use it topically as a moisturizer or soothe skin irritations, or add it to your smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. Never tried? You need to try it today. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up.